Did you know that Australia is home to more than 10,000 beaches? That's more than any other country on Earth. So if you're someone who revels in golden sands and azure waters, Australia could be your dream destination. But before you start packing your beachwear and sunblock, there's one crucial piece of the puzzle to address: the Australian tourist visa fees for Indians. Don't worry, we're here to guide you through it, one step at a time. Firstly, there's the application fee. This is the fee you pay when you submit your visa application. Currently, it stands at around 145 Australian dollars, or roughly 8,800 Indian rupees. This fee covers the cost of processing your application. Once your application is approved, there's an additional fee to be paid, known as the visa grant fee. This is approximately 600 Australian dollars, or around 36,000 Indian rupees. Paying this fee finalizes your visa and gives you the green light to enter Australia. Remember, these fees can change, so it's important to stay updated. The most reliable source of information is the Department of Home Affairs website, where you'll find the latest visa fee details. Also, consider applying online. It's usually quicker, and you might even save on additional processing fees. A word of caution here: be wary of unauthorized websites or agents that claim to offer discounted visa fees. When it comes to visa applications, always deal directly with the Department of Home Affairs or a registered migration agent. This ensures a safe and legitimate process. Planning ahead is crucial. When budgeting for your trip, remember to factor in these visa fees, along with other expenses such as flights, accommodation, and travel insurance. Australia can be quite pricey, so do your homework and opt for travel options that suit your budget. And hey, if you've already been through the Australian tourist visa process as an Indian citizen, why not share your experiences and tips in the comments? Maybe you discovered some budgeting hacks or encountered unexpected costs. Your insights could help other travel enthusiasts plan their Aussie adventure. Remember, every journey is a story waiting to be told, and overcoming financial hurdles can make the destination even more rewarding. So grab your bags, fuel up your wanderlust, and let's embark on a journey of discovery, one budget-friendly adventure at a time. Here's to enriching, ethical, and accessible travel experiences for all.